Hello everyone, we are Group 3. We are going to present our safety and health in Petronas company. So first we're going to introduce ourselves first. My name is Zainal Nasili and my metric numbers is 2025155883.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Sarah Bella Adriana binti Asmadi and my matrix number is 2025165665.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Adriana binti Adlisha. My matrix number is 2025135025.
So now I'm going to present my introduction about the safety and health. So in human resource management, safety and health involve policies and practices that protect employees from work-related injuries, illnesses, and accidents while supporting their overall well-being. Safety focuses on preventing accidents by identifying risks and applying measurements like helmets, gloves, and safety boots in construction sites. However, health focuses on employees' physical and mental well-being, such as using ergonomic furniture, ensuring good ventilation, and offering stress management programs in office environments. Together, safety and health help organizations protect employees, reduce absenteeism, and lower medical costs. Next, I'm going to explain the importance of safety and health in Malaysia. Safety and health in Malaysia are essentials for protecting workers, supporting economic growth, and ensuring organizations to follow the law. Regulations like the Occupational Safety and Health Act, OSHA, as known as OSHA 1994, require employers to provide safe working environments, helping prevent incidents and illnesses. OSHA aims to protect workers, safeguard the public, create healthy workplace, support modern industry practices, and promote self-regulation. The Department of Occupational Safety and Health, that is known as DOSH, that was known as DOSH, enforces these rules by inspecting workplaces, investigating accidents, and taking action against organizations that fail to meet safety standards. Together, OSHA and DOSH help reduce accidents, protect employees, and promote a strong culture of safety and health across Malaysia. And next, I'm going to explain the safety and health implementation through HRM, Human Resources Management. Companies like Petronas show how human resource management can effectively implement safety and health practice. Petronas integrates safety into daily operation to create a safe, healthy, and productive workplace. Human Resources develops clear policies on hazard identification, emergency response, and accident reporting, and ensures employees understand this through training and briefings. Continuously safety training such as fire drills, first aid, PPE use, and ergonomics is provided, while HR ensures compliance with OSHA 1994 through audits and updates. Petronas emphasizes risk management and a strong safety culture by conducting inspection, applying control measures, and encouraging employees to report hazards. Employee well-being is supported through wellness programs, stress management, and work-life balance initiatives. Incident management procedures help investigate accidents and improve safety practices. Overall, Petronas shows that strong HRM practices can ensure employee safety, promote well-being, and contribute to long-term organizational success. Lastly, I'm going to explain the case study about Petronas' background and justification. Petronas, or known as Petroleum Nasional Berhad, is Malaysia's national oil and gas company. Established in 1974 and fully owned by the government, it manages the country's oil and gas resources across the entire energy value chain, including exploration, production, refining, petrochemicals, and distribution, both locally and internationally. Because of its operation, Petronas involves a high-risk activities such as offshore drilling, handling dangerous materials, and operating heavy machinery. Petronas was chosen as a case study because safety and health are critical to its daily operation. The oil and gas industry has a high workplace risk, including chemical exposure, fire hazards, and physical injuries. So, strong safety management is essential to protect employees, contractors, and the work environment. Petronas is known for strict safety standards and a commitment to creating a safe workplace, making it an ideal example to show how HRM implements safety and health principles in the company. So, the company follows national laws like OSHA 1994 and international safety standards, integrating this into HRM through clear policy, training, risk management, and employee well-being programs. Petronas clearly demonstrate how HRM strategies can effectively ensure workplace safety and health in practice. That's it for my part in 1.0 about the introduction of safety and health.
Next, I will talk about the literature review. In Malaysia, occupational safety and health have developed over time, mainly because of laws and government policies. Safety and health are very important, especially in high-risk industry like oil and gas. Companies such as Petronas follow the Occupational Safety and Health Act 1994 to make sure employees are protected at work. Past studies show that strong safety system, regular training, and proper risk management help reduce workplace accidents. Safety and health refer to the practices and policies used to protect workers from injuries, illnesses, and workplace accidents. The main goal is to ensure employees' physical, mental, and overall well-being. In Malaysia, safety and health are governed by OSHA 1994, which requires employers to provide a safe working environment. Workplace hazards can be divided into several types. These include physical hazards like nose and head, chemical hazards such as toxic gases, biological hazards like bacteria, psychosocial hazards such as stress, and ergonomic hazards caused by poor workstation design. Identifying and controlling these hazards is important to prevent accidents. Next is legal compliance, OSHA and NIOSH roles. Legal compliance plays a key role in workplace safety and health. OSHA 1994 states the legal duty of employers to ensure employee safety and health. Another important organization is National Institute for Occupational Safety and Health, NIOSH, which focuses on research, training, and advisory service related to workplace safety. NIOSH helps organizations including Petronas by providing safety training, risk assessment guidance, and awareness programs. This effort supports a strong safety culture and help companies achieve goals such as zero workplace incidents. How to measure for a safe work environment? To create a safe work environment, companies must implement clear safety measures. Employees should have a written safety and health policy and conduct regular risk assessment. Training and education are also important so employees understand safety procedures. The use of personal protective equipment, safety signs, and proper tools help prevent accidents. Regular inspections, emergency planning, and employee participation further improve workplace safety. These measures help protect workers and improve overall performance. The last one is organizational responsibility and care culture. Organizational responsibility and care culture exists when safety and health become part of the company's culture. Safety should be a shared responsibility among all employees. Petronas promotes this through its zero incident culture, where employees are encouraged to report hazards and stop unsafe work. Clear rules, disciplinary action, and reward system help ensure accountability. By recognizing safe behavior, organizations motivate employees to maintain a safe and healthy working environment.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Adriana binti Adlisha. My matrix number is 2025135025. Today, I'm going to present a critical look at the safety and health practices of Malaysia global energy giant, which is Petronas, and we are going to explore how they transition from theoretical concepts to a real-world life-saving actions, especially following the lessons that they learned from the 2010 Bangkok siege. Firstly, to understand Petronas, we must look at the human capital preservation theory. This theory stated that employees aren't just workers, they are fundamental assets for the company. And and in Petronas, safety is not just a rule, it's like a condition of employment. This means safety is very related to an employee's KPIs. So if you don't practice safety in the organization, it will very affect your performance and review and career growth. They enforce this through the 120Z2 rules, or well known as zero tolerance rules. For example, you can start a high-risk job without a valid work permit. If you break the rules, HR will take immediate actions, and this ensures that a duty of care that reach every corner of the company, from the KLCC towers to the deepest offshore rigs. For the section 3.2, we have a case study about the Bangkok Sea platform fire, and people are asking why Petronas are very strict. It is because of their incidents and tragedy that happened in Bangkok Sea platform on 14th December on 2010. So during a routine maintenance task off the coast of Terengganu, a massive fire broke out and causing a serious injuries and shutting down all the operations completely. So this was a classic failure of managing physical and chemical hazards. Even though Petronas had world-class safety manuals, and unfortunately, the investigation has shown that the failure of the hierarchy process at the task level is one of the causes why this incident happened, because the communication is not clear. So this has taught us a very important lessons that paper safety is not enough for working. the worker needs to understand the risk of their work, their what happen if they have a very poor communication. They need to understand what will happen if they ignore a minor mistake, and this has caused the incidents that happen to because see just because of a little negligence. So even the global standard cannot prevent this catastrophe. So Petronas need to step up their management, and they need to make sure that their communication is more clear, and the workers are going to have their own certificate for their work task. Let's say for 3.3 is the mitigation of what happened and what is the solution for this problem. So Petronas didn't just fix the pipes after the fire; they also fixed their culture. How? They introduced their process safety essentials and the asset integrity management system, which is, for short, it's AIMS, AIMS. So to remove the human error, they turned the industrial revolution of 4.0, which is AI, and real-time digital monitoring to detect any gas leak or any mechanical dysfunctions before a human can even notice them. How? Because AI has a highly intelligent and very how can we say this? Is very precise in doing their job. Because sometimes AI are doing things that human cannot even do. They are more precise, more aware than humans, because we humans has flaws, and computers and AI, artificial intelligence, doesn't have any flaws. They might have flaws, but they are very they have their own precision in making a job. So even the permit to work system is now 100% digital, a job cannot start unless the digital checklist is fully clear. This can be ensured for the worker if they forget their timestamp, if they're tired or forget a step. The technology can act as a safety net and remind other people that this person or this section has a problem. Finally, let's talk about empowerment, which is the safety culture and stop work authority. The most powerful tool at Petronas is the SWA, which is Stop Work Authority. In many cultures, we can see that a junior worker are not allowed to speak up their higher executives. But the SWA are giving permission to everyone in the organization, from senior to junior, the cleaner, engineer, has a legal and moral right to stop a work if they feel unsafe. They can stop the process if there's a flaw, such as if there's a leaking pipes or if there's maybe a gas leaking. They can remind everyone to stop and then check the pipes so that it can be more safer. So this can show that Petronas are valuing their workers' life more than their financial profit. So they can make the safety identity of Petronas more inclusive, and they are proving to everyone that they are not an organization that take human lives for granted. By conclusion, Petronas has shown us that safety and health is not just avoiding fines, not is just human capital or hierarchy or someone's mistakes, but through zero tolerance rules, learning back from the Bangkok Sea disasters. This Petronas has empowering their staff through SWA that they have built a world-class safety culture. As future managers, we should remember, safety is a choice that we make, not just the rules we follow. Thank you, and that's all.
So, welcome back with me. I'm going to continue about the conclusion of our case study about Petronas safety and health. So, in conclusion, occupational safety and health are essential in human resources management because they protect employees from workplace hazards while supporting organizational efficiency and long-term success. In Malaysia, laws like OSHA 1994 set clear responsibilities for employees and thus ensure compliance and promote safer workplace. This report shows that safety and health are especially important in high-risk industry like oil and gas. The Petronas case study demonstrates how integrating safety into HRM, such as through policies, continuous training, risk management, and employee well-being programs. This is to reduce accidents and improve performance. Petronas' strong safety culture and structure system show a proactive approach to protecting employees. The Bangkok Sea platform fire incident highlights the need for proper safety implementation, clear communication, and hazard management. Petronas improvement afterwards, such as better safety, leadership, digital monitoring, and stronger asset management, show their commitment to continuous improvement. Overall, safety and health are not just legal requirements but a strategic HRM function that protects people, builds trust, and supports a long-term organizational success. That's all. Our presentation about Petronas safety and health, the implementation safety and health in the company. Thank you.